In this video, I'm going to share with you information about oregano essential oil and why we use it for its powerful antimicrobial properties, immunity, respiratory, cleaning, and digestive support. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. If you're looking for natural solutions for your needs, you've come to the right place. So hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out when I upload a new video. At the end of this video, you'll have a chance to access several of my guides, including my Aging Backward Naturally guide. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. Today, I'm going to share with you some of the remarkable benefits of oregano essential oil. Oregano is not just for pizza lovers.
And then he just blew. Is this oregano? Look at, I'm all covered in oregano and parmesan.
Although we love oregano in the kitchen, oregano has serious superpowers you need to know about. It is so important to remember to use oregano regularly. I don't know about you, but sometimes I need to remind myself. Oregano essential oil, extracted from the leaves of the oregano plant through steam distillation, contains potent compounds like carvacrol and thymol. These little heroes are ready to save the day. Benefit number one, oregano essential oil is like a ninja fighting off bad bacteria and viruses. It's a natural antimicrobial powerhouse that can kick some serious butt. So if germs are knocking, oregano will show them who's the boss. Use it diluted in a roller, capsule, or a throat spray. Benefit number two, oregano essential oil is like a personal bodyguard for your immune system. It's packed with antioxidants that shield your body from the evil forces of oxidative stress. Think of it as a superhero cape for your immune system. Benefit number three, oregano essential oil is like a breath of fresh air for your respiratory system. It can help clear the airways and bring relief to those pesky coughs and congestion. Say goodbye to troublemakers causing respiratory discomfort. Benefit number four, oregano essential oil is the ultimate germ-fighting warrior for your home. It can clean and disinfect anything and everything. Say goodbye to those chemical-laden cleaners and products. Let oregano save the day. It's cleaning with a twist of oregano awesomeness. Benefit number five, oregano essential oil is a digestive superhero. It helps keep your digestive system in check so you can say goodbye to gut issues like bloating and indigestion. Oregano oil is here to save the day. So let's recap why you want to use oregano for more than just a kitchen spice. Well, oregano essential oil fights off bacteria and viruses, supports your immune system, helps you breathe easy, cleans like a champ, and keeps your digestive system in tip-top shape. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so use oregano oil wisely. Oregano is what we call a hot oil, so always dilute it to use it. That wraps up today's video on the remarkable benefits of oregano essential oil. If you found this information helpful and enjoyed the superhero vibe, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Let us know in the comments below how you use the superhero oregano essential oil. As promised, I want to give you access to my private Oils for Aging Backward class by clicking in the link below in the description. You can also follow the additional link to download my Aging Backward Naturally guide and other of my guides too. I am so grateful that you're here. Comment if you can relate to what I'm saying in this video and if you found value in the information. Check out my other videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. If you're already a subscriber, I'm so glad you're in our community. And let me know what you would like to see in future videos. Remember, together we can age backward and live younger longer. Take good care.